Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican cornbread with Jiffy mix. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix, 2 eggs, and 1/3 cup of milk. Also, grab 1 can of creamed corn and 1 can of drained whole kernel corn. Don't forget 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of chopped jalapenos for that perfect kick. This simple recipe is a crowd pleaser. Now let's get mixing. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine the Jiffy cornbread mix, 2 eggs, and 1/3 cup of milk. Whisk these together until they are just moistened. Next, fold in the creamed corn, the drained whole kernel corn, the shredded cheddar cheese, and the chopped jalapenos. Mix gently until everything is just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake your delicious Mexican cornbread. Grease a 9-inch by 13-inch baking dish to prevent sticking. Pour the entire batter evenly into the prepared dish. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before serving. Once your Mexican cornbread is out of the oven, let it cool for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes for cleaner slices. Cut into squares and serve warm alongside your favorite chili, soup, or as a standalone snack. It's a versatile and flavorful addition to any meal. For more great kitchen tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including the O-Ala water bottle. Enjoy your homemade Mexican cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.